Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to make Play-Doh. We need flour, salt, oil, a cup of butter, and food coloring. So we're going to mix flour and salt. Salt. Now mix. Smells like dough. Now let's get the water. I'm going to use blue food coloring. Now the oil. And now we could put flour and salt. Wow, that was everything. It's bubbling. And now mix it. Wow, it's like a lightest blue. It was actually a lightest blue, I think. Wait. It looks, that's my favorite color. Wait. Ooh, it smells like Play-Doh. That's why we are making Play-Doh. Ah, it's hard. That she's giggleish. Let's make a begin. Oh, maybe we could pretend these are cookies, right? Sky, no? She's sad. Don't worry, Sky. You're not allowed to eat Play-Dohs. Sky. I made two. I think I did it, but I still see lines. It looks very small. I'm going to make a big. Looks like neon. I think I did it. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. Look at Sky. So ticklish. This is why we love this girl. Let's clean. This is why she's so cute.